Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have a Power BI Pro license and sufficient Sharepoint site permissions, because without them you cannot connect or publish. Next, locate the Sharepoint list or document library URL and inspect the column types so you map types correctly. Once done, choose Import for faster visuals with scheduled refresh, or pick Direct Query when you need live data. This choice affects performance and refresh options, so decide now before you pull the data. You open Power BI Desktop and use Get Data, selecting SharePoint Online List or SharePoint folder and pasting the precise site or library URL. This ensures you pull the intended source. Then, in Power Query, expand record fields, set correct data types, trim unnecessary columns, and add calculated columns where needed to standardize values. Make sure to configure parameters, and for large datasets, enable incremental refresh to reduce load. Once transformation rules are stable, apply changes and validate sample rows to avoid surprises. You publish the finished report to the Power BI Service workspace, and then configure the dataset settings for refresh cadence. This step ensures your visuals reflect current SharePoint data. If your SharePoint content is on-premises or requires a gateway, install and configure the gateway, then map credentials in the service so refresh can authenticate. Make sure scheduled refresh is enabled and test a manual refresh. If something fails, check the error details, gateway status, and data source privacy or credential mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.